Hey guys, Glenn here. Real quick unboxing of the Joyway luggage. There's 3 different luggages, I believe, in here. Just got it and I'm going away, so I gotta do this really quick. So, there's one of the cats, in case you wanted to see that. I'm gonna unbox this. I already took off all the labels because no one cares about that. Alright. This one is in black. They come in a bunch of different colors. I'll post a link. Alright. Look at this. Watch the cat. Okay. Alright, so this is how it's packaged. This is what the other one looked like. All like this. Packaged all nice. So you got a big one. You got a medium one. And then I believe you got a small one and some other things. Hard to do one-handed, but this is what you're getting. I will post like another review. Look on my YouTube if this does not hold up at any moment. So maybe a year from now, if you're watching this, I'll update it with another video. Okay, let me move this over. Okay, it looks... This is the second one. They're about like 160 bucks online, and for the value that you get is pretty good. It's pretty hard. All right, like it's a hard shell. I'm gonna be tossing it around, and if it breaks on me, I'll let you guys know. It's got this for your dirty laundry, your shoes, whatever is supposed to go in here. And you got a little tiny one, little baby. You also got some straps. Strap it down. Straps. You got the flap and the big ones. They all look the same. Which is pretty cool. I like this color. It's kind of like, I don't know if it does it justice. Let me close this. It's like a cool finish to it. So I'm happy. I actually got this for Christmas gift. Christmas or birthday, something like that. It's very close to the date. Here we go. This is the third one. Let's see if there's anything in here. Oh, and they all have these locks, which are TSA approved, which is pretty cool. Alright. Alright, this one. Open it up, and there's... Okay, so this one's a little different. So, it's got that. It's got this thing. I feel like it's a little cushiony in there. So, oh, there it is. So it's actually got this little flap in here, like a hidden compartment. And then you got rainbow, whatever that is. Luggage ties, I don't know. And that's it. So, thank you guys for watching the review. I hope this helps somebody out. If it did, like and subscribe. And if you guys want to see anything more about these, let me know.